Hi, I'm Doug. If you've ever looked at an HVAC quote and thought, I hope this is right, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how comfort, efficiency, and pricing actually fits together. So you can stop guessing and start asking the right questions. Let's walk through it the smart way.
Thanks, Doug. Now let's take a closer look at what really matters and why this will be helpful for you.
Doug asked me to walk you through a few things that can make or break an HVAC replacement before you ever compare prices. First question: did anyone actually measure your home, or are they guessing based on square footage? A system that works well starts with understanding how your home behaves. Things like insulation, windows, layout, and how air moves through the space. When that step gets skipped, comfort and efficiency usually suffer. Second question: will your existing ductwork actually support the new system? Even great equipment can struggle if the air pathways are leaking, restricted, or poorly balanced. That's why it matters whether airflow and pressure are checked, not just assumed. Third question: do you know what's actually included in the price you're being shown? A good quote clearly explains what you're paying for: equipment, labor, setup, testing, and any adjustments needed to make everything work together properly. The goal here isn't to turn you into an HVAC expert. It's to help you avoid guessing and feel confident asking the right questions. That was great. Now I'll hand it back to Doug so he can walk you through what comes next.
Thanks, Sarah. Before you click away and lose this video, take 60 seconds and do the home comfort checkup. I built it for homeowners like you. It asks questions most people never think of, and it'll help you see where your home really stands. Click the link below now so you don't miss out. I figured this out the hard way so that you don't have to. Follow me.